Wood is one of the most timeless and versatile materials when it comes to home decor. From rustic charm to modern elegance, beautifully crafted wooden pieces can transform any space. In today's video, we'll explore the art of wooden craft, showcasing amazing modern wooden art designs and ideas that you can create yourself. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. Wooden decor pieces are known for their natural warmth and texture, making them perfect for almost any home aesthetic. From intricate carvings to minimalist designs, the beauty of wooden crafts lies in their uniqueness. Today, we'll cover a variety of ideas, from simple decorative elements to functional furniture and statement art pieces that you can make at home. Modern wooden art and decor ideas. One of the biggest trends in modern wooden art is geometric designs. Whether it's wall art, tabletops, or shelving units, geometric patterns add a sleek, contemporary feel. You can create stunning wooden wall panels by cutting and assembling wooden slats into hexagonal, triangular, or abstract designs. A touch of wood stain or paint in varying tones can elevate the final look. Another stylish decor piece is a wooden LED lamp. With just a few wooden panels, a hollow design, and LED strip lights, you can create a futuristic lamp that adds both warmth and ambience to your home. Floating wooden sculptures are another fascinating idea. You can carve abstract figures or nature-inspired designs and mount them on transparent acrylic bases, giving the illusion that they are floating. Functional wooden craft projects. Moving beyond decor, let's explore some modern wooden furniture ideas. A sleek wooden bench with metal legs is a perfect addition to any modern interior. The combination of natural wood and industrial metal creates a bold yet elegant contrast. If you're up for a more complex project, try crafting a mid-century modern coffee table with clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. Another great DIY project is a wooden wall-mounted desk. With remote work becoming more popular, space-saving furniture is in high demand. A simple foldable wooden desk can provide a stylish and functional workspace while keeping things minimal and clutter-free. For those who love greenery, a wooden plant ladder stand is a perfect project. By stacking wooden shelves in a stair-step pattern, you can create a modern plant display that's perfect for small spaces. Let's put our skills into practice with a step-by-step guide on how to create a stunning modern wooden wall art piece. Materials needed: wooden planks or MDF board, wood glue and nails, wood stain or paint, optional, saw and sandpaper, measuring tape and pencil. Instructions: start by cutting your wooden planks into different sizes based on the pattern you want to create. Sand the pieces smoothly to prevent rough edges. Arrange the pieces on a flat surface to form your desired design. You can go for an abstract, geometric, or herringbone pattern. Once satisfied with the layout, start gluing and nailing the pieces onto a wooden backing board for stability. Stain or paint the design to enhance the contrast and modern appeal. Let it dry, then mount it on your wall for a striking decor piece. More advanced wooden craft ideas. If you're ready for more advanced projects, try making a wooden resin table. Epoxy resin combined with live edge wood creates a breathtaking river-like effect. This project requires precise cutting, resin pouring, and finishing techniques, but the result is truly stunning. Another sophisticated project is a wooden pendant light fixture. By layering wooden panels into an intricate, overlapping pattern, you can create a designer-style light fixture that adds a unique focal point to any room. For music lovers, how about crafting a wooden Bluetooth speaker? With the right components and a well-designed wooden casing, you can create a stylish speaker that blends craftsmanship with technology. Essential tools for modern woodworking. If you're just starting out, here are some essential tools you'll need. Jigsaw or circular saw for precise cuts. Orbital sander for smooth finishes. Wood glue and clamps for strong bonds. Measuring tools for accuracy. A drill and screws for assembly. Wood stains, paints, and sealers to enhance and protect your work. Upcycling and sustainable woodworking. Sustainability is becoming a major focus in woodworking. Upcycling old furniture or using reclaimed wood is an excellent way to create eco-friendly art and decor. For example, old wooden pallets can be repurposed into stylish wall-mounted shelves, while discarded wooden beams can be transformed into rustic tabletops or benches.